open house is a community event that's geared towards our junior high students and our community members. It is a chance for us to showcase what is going on at Franklin Central High School. We have academic booths, we have clubs represented, and we have our sports represented. It's just a great chance for our community and our junior high students to come in and see all the great things that are offered at Franklin Central High School.
This is a terrific event. It's not just for incoming ninth graders, as some people think. It's for the whole community. So if there are students in their third or fourth grade and they want to come over and see what's happening at the high school, they can come on over.
At first when I walked in, it was a little overwhelming seeing everybody, but then as I got in there and started actually listening to everybody, I got a little more into it and actually learned about the actual clubs, and it was really interesting.
Students will just see the many offerings that we have, and I think that it'll put them at ease because they'll be able to find something that they're interested in and kind of find their own niche. Because we are such a big school, I think it can be a little bit overwhelming. So for them to see a few things that they might be able to get interested in and meet new people with, I think it'll be a good opportunity for those students who might be a little bit anxious about coming to high school.
Big school, it can get really overwhelming, but having a group of people that understand you and have the same interests will really help you get further. I wish we had open house for when I was 8th grade coming into freshman year, because I had no clue what was happening and I know I wanted to do something.
I think it's important to have these students not feeling so overwhelmed just because it's such a big transition year for them. So if they feel like they can make some connections tonight before they walk through the doors on that first day, it'll just really put them at ease and make them feel a little bit more comfortable before they get to high school.
I think it's probably school until they get here and they see all of the exciting things we have to offer. They see all the performing arts, all the clubs, all the athletics, and they get pretty excited about it.
For kids who are really nervous or don't really know a lot about the school, or just don't really know about the clubs or anything, for them it's a good experience to calm their nerves and get them really think about what they want to do when they come to high school. I really like the gardening club because it just looked really down to earth and a really fun thing to do. So
they're going to take with them, they're going to have a program that's going to have all their course offerings. They're going to have a knowledge with which, so when they come in to school in August next year, they will have an understanding of what is going on, what is that next step, so they'll make that transition from the middle school to the high school a little bit easier.